Hi guys, once again welcome to my e-classes. There are the canal irrigation of India and the next lecture the Kerala of Rajasthan. The Rajasthan is the deficient in rainfall and canal. There are the under arid and semi-arid climates. The canals have provided to be won for the state as result of which sandy and trees are yielding good agriculture harvest some of the important canals of the state. There are the first the Gang Canal. It was complete in the 1928. It irrigated uh, 15 lakh hectares of the land in Bikaner division. It has helped into the cultivation of wheat, pulses, oilseeds, rice, cotton, sugarcane, and citrus fruits. And this canal takes off from the Sadluj River near the Hasinaula, Firozpur, and has a total length of 1280 kilometers. It is called Bikaner Canal. And next they are Chambal Project Canal. Under the Chambal project, the Gandhi Sagar and Rana Pratap Sagar dams have been constructed. The canal taken out from the barrage irrigates about 2.83 lakhs hectares of the land of Kota and Bondi, Sawai Madhopur and Bharatpur district. The project is also providing irrigating in the western part of Madhya Pradesh and the next there are dam Jawai project. Here a dam has been built across the Jawai River in 1946. The main canal is 22 km long, but its branch are 120 km long. It irrigates 7,000 hectares of the land in Pali, Jodhpur, and Sirohi district. And the next Ottu feeder. It takes off from the Ghagar River near the Sirsa, Haryana. It is the non-perennial canals and the providing irrigation to about 51,000 hectares of the land in Ganganagar district. And they are next Hanumangad Canal. This belongs to the Bhakra Canal group which irrigates about 2.3 lakhs hectare of the land in Ganganagar district. And the next there are Indira Gandhi Canal. It is an ambitious canal project to divert the additional water of the Ravi, Bias and Sadluj river to the dry area of Rajasthan. A barrage has been built across the Ravi river to divert its water through a 32-kilometer long feeder canals to the Bias. Another barrage has been constructed at the confluence of Bias and Sadluj near the Harik farm where Indira Gandhi Canal takes its origin. The Ganganagar, Bikaner, Jodhpur and Jaisalmer district. The project involves construction a two-stage. There are the large I comprise there are 359 km long Rajasthan main canal and 3000 km long and distributaries to serve a command area of 5.4 lakhs hectare. And importance of the features of this stage is the construction of 152-kilometer long Lunkhansar Bikaner left canal along with the 187-kilometer long distributaries to the surf of command area of 51,000 hectare area. And the main canal has the total length of 649 km of which is 179 km lies in Punjab and Haryana. Along this distributaries it is the total length wide the 8,000 km irrigating about 14.62 lakh 60 lakhs hectares of the land in of 4,000 million cubic meter of the water involved the construction of 2,250 km long main canals And there are the lift irrigation would be provided through Gajni, Kalayat, Phalodi, Pokhran, and Nahar Saha live stream. And there are the Rajasthan canals include the Langing to Parvati, Godha, Marel, Jaghar, Kalisil, and the Gambhiri, Bankali. And now start the canal irrigation of Bihar. In the Bihar canal irrigation, there are the 26.3% of the net cropped area of this state. There in the region south of the river Ganga, there the rainfall has been inadequate and the erratic, leading to the frequent and the recurrence of surface farming. There are following the main canals are there. First of all, the Son canals. A barrage has been built across the Son rivers near Dheri farm, where the two canals have been taken out. The eastern Patna and their canal. There are taken the Brown was completed in 1875. It's irrigated about 3 lakh hectare area of land of Patna, Gaya and Aurangabad district. The western canal from the Dehri and feeds the Ara, the Boxer and Chausa branch. It irrigates 3.5 lakhs hectare of land in the Ara, Sahabad and Bhojpur district. Next canal, there are Kosi project canal. Under the project, a barrage has been constructed across the Kosi river near Hanuman Nagar, from the which two canals would be taken out to irrigate about 8.73 lakh hectares of cropped area. This eastern Kosi canal is completed. It was the length 127 km, constructing of Murali and Janaki Nagar, Bhanamanakhi and Agaria branches. It irrigates about 4.34 lakh hectare of the land in Purnia and Muzaffarpur, Munger and the Saharsa district. The western Kosi canal has a length of 112.65 km. On the completion in the wood irrigates about 3.14 lakhs hectares of the land area. Next, there canal Gandak Canal. Under the project, a long approx 740 meters barrage has been built up across the Gandak River, the Triveni Ghat, from which the number of canals have been taken. The irrigate about the hectares, the land, the Nepal, Bihar, and there are Champaran, Saran Champra, and Muzaffarpur, and Darbhanga, and Shian, Vaisali, and the Uttar Pradesh, Gorakhpur, and Deoria, the Siran, the Thirhat, and Doon are the important branch of the West Bengal. The West Bengal is humid state where the little irrigation is the practices. Only southwestern part of the state needs some irrigation, and this state was 11% of the irrigate uh, under the canal irrigation. Important of canal system are the follow. Number one, the Damodar project canals under the Damodar Valley Corporation. A 692 meters long and 12-meter high barrage has been built up from which two canals have been taken out. The right bank canal, it's 89 km and the irrigate about 4.2 lakhs hectare inland in Hooghly and Asansol and Vardhaman district. The left bank canal is 137 km long, the used for navigation. Next canal, the Moirakshi project canal, a barrage 640 meters long and 47.24 metric high, has been constructed across the Moirakshi river, a tributary of Hooghly river near the Barsanjor Messenger Birbhum in 1951, from which two canals have been constructed which irrigates 2.51 lakhs hectares of land in Birbhum, Murshidabad and Bardhaman district. And next canal, Kangsaboti project canal. Three barrages have been constructed over the Kangsaboti and Kumari river to lay down 1305 km long canal which irrigates 3.84 hectares of agricultural lands in Bankura and Mendipur district. Next there are Mendipur canal. This is a 520 km long division canal taken there from Kaisar district river near the Mendapur which irrigate 50,000 hectare of land in Mendapur and Howrah district. Next there are Idon canal. It is the 54 km long canal taken out from a Damodar river in 1938 which provide irrigation to 10,000 hectares of land in Bardhaman district. Next, Farakka project canal. Here the canal has been taken out from the Bhagirathi river near the Jangipur which provides the irrigation facility to the neighboring area. And the canal of Odisha, the Hirakund project canal. Under the project 4,801 metric long the canal dam has been constructed across Mahanadi near the Sambalpur which impound there are 80,000 million cubic meter. This canal have been constructed which irrigate about 3 lakh hectares of the land in Sambalpur and Puri and Bolangir and Cuttack district. And the next canal there are the Mahanadi Delta canal of the Mahanadi Delta scheme. There are the irrigation about 5.49 lakhs hectare land in the Cuttack and Puri district. And there are other canal, Kendrapada canal from Birupa river and the Takanda canal from Mahanadi near the Juvari Anikot, irrigation 60,000 hectares of the land, and the Salandi canal taking off from the river, so named their irrigation about 62,000 hectares of agricultural land in Balasar district.